Hi guys, it's me, Shaliana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys should know me by now. I am Shaliana, and yeah, I'm gonna get ready for today's video. Today I'm gonna do like a normal look today. I know I've been saying that for a while now, but I'm gonna get in full glam. But I'm actually gonna try a clean girl makeup, and so yeah, I'm gonna try that. I also gonna be looking over here because my mirror is over here. So yeah, I'm gonna try that, and then let's see how it goes. It ends up not turning out a clean girl makeup. I do apologize from now. So yeah, I'm gonna try get into it, and then also I do have like kind of a surprise, but I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of the video. So yeah, first I'm gonna use the Elf Power Grip Primer. So it's actually really good. So looking over the light, it's actually when I bought it, I had like very low hopes for it. I don't know what. It actually gives you like really good and for underneath makeup. I'm actually surprised by it, how like sticky it is. I heard reviews saying like it's actually is a dupe from the Milk Primer, but I never tried the Milk Primer before. I don't think. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get the Milk Primer later on for me to like actually try. So for my foundation, I don't have the MK Beauty, so it's in 2 Fair. And also I do have in 3 Light as well. I'm just playing out of these two stuff. I am gonna try 3 Light. If my skin tone, I don't know. So I'm gonna try 3 Light today. This actually gives like very natural glowing makeup when it dries up. So, and also it's actually very buildable as well. Foundations. That is something I really like. And also apparently this is a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury's, more cheaper version. I never tried Charlotte Tilbury's foundation, so I heard a lot of reviews as well. This is a dupe of hers. Only thing I have for Charlotte Tilbury's is actually the bronzer. So yeah, that's actually, I never tried the MK Beauty bronzer yet. Yeah, apparently the Charlotte Tilbury and MK Beauty is actually kind of similar. So yeah, I'm doing this foundation as well. It is very giving glowy look, very glowy. This is good underneath other foundations. I did try that before, and this is actually good for a not a moisturizer, as a skin tint mainly. This foundation. So this is, if you look more as a skin tint and or anything, if I'm going for like a no makeup look day, this is actually your girly. It's actually less makeup actually what I usually wear. If you guys new on this channel. So yeah. Then I add a little more on the sides. And some on my eyelids too. I won't go with eyeshadow today because I'm going for like a nice natural look. I think I have a nude lipstick as well. If not, I can always go with like a nice gloss or something. So yeah. Oh, honestly, it's actually kind of giving. And also, by the way, if you guys did not know, I do have another YouTube channel. It's called Shaliana Reacts. Hey, if you guys want to subscribe to that as well as this one, you get like more content of both channels. So yeah, I hope you guys go to that channel as well as this one, and yeah, I hope you like and subscribe. Oh, hope you guys like and subscribe, and actually keep keeping no notification bells on, and you keep updated every time I upload, and you actually might get some good content over there. And also, please let me know what content you want me to do over there, and also like on other stuff, and gives me more good ideas on what to do. And also for the concealer, I might use the NARS one. It's actually pretty. I actually kind of like NARS now. Narrator actually kind of NARS. It's actually pretty good product to me. Like for me, it's not for everybody. Same with the MK Beauty foundation. It's not for everybody. I don't let you guys know now. So it's actually, for me, it's actually worked really good with these products. And same with NARS. So at first when I got it, I thought it's not going to be good for my skin tone. It actually works out really, really good. Excuse me. And when I do review these products, I know it won't be for everyone. Every skin tone is actually different. That's something I understand though. So yeah, I am reviewing. I don't know if I review more makeup products in the future. I might do, but yeah, I actually might do review more later on down the track. And also, let me know down below if you want what other products you want me to review, like House Labs or Fenty Beauty or like other makeup brands. So yeah, if you've seen one of my friends got me onto MK Beauty, I've been actually loving it so much. So yeah, it actually gives out, if you're looking for more natural looks for every day, go to MK Beauty. So it actually works out really good. So yeah, that didn't take me long today to do for two products. I'll do set contour. I might do a bronzer because it gives out the nice sun-kissed look. So it basically gives out more of that look you've been wanting, like more natural. It actually works out really good. So if this is from Sheglam, and also that actually can help you with the more natural looks as well. This is actually more natural looks are actually done ever. So all I'm doing is blending it. Might use a different brush this time. Go in and blend it. It's actually giving really good. It's actually giving right now. Yeah, it actually shows up really good on camera. I might do like maybe a not lash, mascara. So I might give it just do this and do a mascara instead. And that will be the end of the nice natural makeup look. So yeah, this is actually pretty good. Nowhere to lie. I might get my mascara if I can find it. I found it. I'm gonna go with this mascara. So that's, I don't know what it is. It's from Maybelline, New York. So Ever since I got it I think about a year or so ago, it actually works out with my lashes. I know, I don't curl them, fortunately. I do have eyelash curler, but I just don't know where I put it. So, I don't know if you guys can see the difference of my two lashes. Actually, I can see a little bit of difference here and here. One gives length and one gives thickness. So I'm gonna try the same technique on my other eye, and so I don't know if you guys can actually see my lashes. I don't do I do fake lashes, but I don't do them for like I don't do fake lashes for a special event like a party or a wedding or something. So for like every day, I don't do lashes. So yeah, so then I'll blend in this concealer real quick as well. So yeah, I hope you like and subscribe and keep your notification bells on as well. You get notified every time I upload. So yeah, I hope you have a good time with this video. Oh, and also, I'm going to do a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. If I do reach it by the end of the year on both channels, up to 10,000 subscribers on this one and my Shaliana Reacts, I will be giving away a PS5 or a Quest 3. I might be doing that later on down the track once I reach 10,000 subscribers. If you guys help me reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I will be doing a giveaway at 10,000 subscribers. I'll pick a subscriber, and also I will pick one of you guys to win a Quest 3 or a PS5. So keep notified by that, and yeah, hope you like and subscribe and help me reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I will do a giveaway on those stuff. Keep watching and keep watching my channels and keep notified, and yeah, and you will be hearing from me back from me about those products. And so yeah, have a great day. Bye guys.